This place has been good to me, but all my feasting here is done.
I can't stop him! I can't! He's come back so strong! Dad, I'm sorry. It's my fault it's come to this, because I didn't kill him quickly like you said. Just like it's my fault, Dad, that you're not here with me anymore.
What's wrong, Gohan? Aren't you going to try and stop me now?
What's the point? I know I've lost my one chance to beat you. Now all of us will die together and be with my dad.
I expected the end to be a little more dramatic, but if this is all I get, then there's no use in dragging it out.
So this is it. This is how it ends.
You've got to be joking! Giving up already? Well, that's nothing like the Gohan I know.
Dad! Where are you?
The other world! And thanks to King Kai, I can communicate with you telepathically. I know you have the power to beat him, Gohan. I've sensed it all along. Give him the biggest Kamehameha you've got.
No, Dad! I can't even use one of my arms anymore! And my energy's been cut in half!
Remember what you learned in our training, and trust yourself. It may feel like Cell weakened you, but really what's draining your strength is your own doubt. Just don't listen to it, okay?
Okay, it's all starting to become clear now, Dad. I've got one arm left, but that's all I need.
Look! He's been driven insane by his own fear!
Gohan!
He's finally ready to face him.
This makes them burn!
Gohan's losing it. He's being overtaken.
And now this is where you end!
What's the matter, Gohan? You already have all the power you need. Just bring it out!
I can't keep this up! It's too much for me to handle! I'm just a kid! I haven't changed! Not at all!
Will you stop attacking yourself? I don't know where you got it in your head that there's something wrong with you, cause there's not! You've saved my life and our friend's life so many times! And you're going to do it again, right now!
What on earth are you mumbling about? Chanting a little prayer before you die?
I'm coming, Gohan.
Piccolo!
Mercy, Gohan!
Where did Piccolo's brain go? To think he could save Gohan all by himself!
Let's roll!
This really? I mean, it's not like they'll make a difference. Special beam cannon!
Would you stop interfering?
Try me!
You're all so anxious to die, aren't you? Well, all you had to do was ask!
He hurt them! He hurt them!
No way!
Too strong!
Don't you realize yet you're up against the perfect weapon?
No, Gohan, I won't let you die all alone out there. Because, kid, you're the first person to ever show me what it means to have a friend.
Don't know why I'm getting up again. Guess I only have Goku and Gohan to blame. Those two guys really changed me for keeps.
These are your last minutes, boy. So try to make them count.
Surpassing Goku has been my goal ever since I became a martial artist. Without him, there's no way I would have come this far. Now that I defeat him, I stood there and watched him die, and will not make the same mistake with his son.
Goku, I hope you know how great a kid you've got. Like father, like son, right? Well, I won't let you down. It's not fear that's holding me back. It's just a...
Why can't you people just stay down? They just keep lining up to die! No chance! You have no chance! Yes, I can feel you slipping!
No! I've been letting people down my whole life! If only I'd been stronger!
Power comes in response to a need, not a
If
desire.
only I could have done more!
Gohan, let it go. Drop your restraints. Protect the life I love.
16! I let you die! I can't do that! I won't watch anymore! I feel it slipping!
Gohan!
We tried. We all did our very best to be heroes like you, but it just not enough.
You can't take my Gohan away from me! He's my baby and no one can take him away!
Gohan, raise it higher! You can win this one!
Gohan!
Release it, Gohan! Release everything! Remember all the pain he's caused, the people he's hurt. Now make that your power!
Say goodbye!
No! I have to be strong! If I can't do this, then Dad, Krillin, everyone! I'm going to lose them all!
Vegeta!
Now's your chance!
What are you so afraid of, son? Isn't this what you wanted? I warned you! I told you what would happen if you pushed me too far! But you didn't listen. You forced me to awaken my hidden power, and now that you've seen it, you're afraid. Because you know that I'm going to destroy you!